Hello, everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of Learn English Through Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack, and today's topic is something that connects deeply with all of us.
That's right, because today we're talking about dreams,
Not just the dreams you see when you sleep.
but also the dreams you carry in your heart, your goals, your hopes, your future plans.
And most importantly, we're going to help you learn how to talk about your dreams in English, clearly, confidently, and naturally.
Because talking about your dreams is one of the most powerful ways to practice English speaking.
It's personal, it's emotional, and it helps you connect with people on a deeper level.
So today, we'll guide you step by step.
You'll learn the right words
The right sentence structures.
and the confidence you need to express your dreams in real-life conversations.
So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin.
What does dream really mean in English?
Emma, let's start with the basics. The word dream actually has two very important meanings in English.
Yes, and many learners get confused between them.
The first meaning is the dream you see while sleeping.
For example, I had a strange dream last night.
That's a sleep dream.
But the second meaning is more powerful.
Your life dream, your goal, your future plan.
For example, my dream is to become a doctor.
So, from today's lesson, when we say dream,
We mostly mean your life goals and ambitions.
2. The most common sentence to talk about your dream.
Let's start with the simplest and most popular sentence.
My dream is to.
This sentence is easy
Natural.
and perfect for beginners.
Let's give some examples.
My dream is to study abroad.
My dream is to start my own business.
My dream is to become fluent in English.
Now listen carefully.
After to, always use the base form of the verb.
To become, not to became.
To travel, not to traveling.
This small rule makes your English sound correct and natural.
3. Talking about dreams in different time frames.
Now let's level up a little.
Because dreams can exist in different time frames.
Past dreams
Present dreams,
and future dreams.
past dreams.
Sometimes you talk about a dream you had in the past, but maybe you changed your mind.
Here's how you say it.
I used to dream of becoming a singer.
I once dreamed of living in another country.
These sentences mean that the dream is no longer active.
Present dreams.
These are the dreams you have right now.
I dream of starting my own company.
I dream about helping poor children.
Notice something interesting?
You can say dream of or dream about.
Both are correct in everyday English.
Future dreams.
When you talk about future dreams, you often use words like
Someday,
one day.
in the future.
For example,
Someday I want to open a school.
one day I will travel the world.
These phrases make your speech sound hopeful and inspiring.
4. Adding emotion to your dream.
Now let's talk about something very important.
Because dreams are not just information.
They are feelings.
And English has many beautiful words to express emotion.
Positive emotion words.
Here are a few powerful ones.
Jack,
Excited, passionate, hopeful, determined, confident.
Emma. Now listen to how these change a simple sentence.
Instead of saying, I want to be a teacher,
Emma, you can say, I'm truly passionate about becoming a teacher.
it sounds stronger, deeper, more real.
Uncertainty and fear.
Not all dreams feel easy.
Jack,
Sometimes you feel afraid.
unsure
Jack,
or nervous. Emma, you can say,
I have a dream, but I'm afraid of failing.
I want to follow my dream, but I'm not confident yet.
These sentences are honest and very human.
5. Talking about obstacles in your dream journey. Emma, every dream has challenges.
And talking about problems is just as important as talking about goals.
Here are some natural English expressions you can use.
Jack, it's not easy, but I'm trying.
Emma, there are many obstacles in my way.
Jack, I face a lot of difficulties, but I won't give up.
Emma, these sentences show strength and determination. 6. Talking about obstacles in your dream journey. Emma, now Jack, what if you want to ask another person about their dreams?
Very important skill. Here are some friendly and natural questions.
Emma, what's your biggest dream?
Jack,
What do you dream of becoming? Emma, what do you want to achieve in your life?
Jack, and when someone shares their dream.
Emma, your response matters.
7. Responding politely to someone's dream.
Emma, here are some supportive responses.
Jack, that sounds amazing.
Emma, I really admire your dream.
Jack, I believe you can do it.
Emma, these small sentences build strong connections.
8. A short, real lifestyle conversation.
Jack, let's give our listeners a short, natural conversation example. Emma, you be person A.
Jack, and you be person B.
Emma, and I'll be person B. Emma, so what's your dream?
My dream is to become a software engineer.
Wow, that's impressive. Why that?
Because I love solving problems and I want to create something useful for people.
That's a beautiful reason. Do you think it will be difficult?
Yes, it's not easy, but I'm working on it every day.
I really respect that. I believe you'll succeed.
9. Common mistakes learners make when talking about dreams.
Jack, now let's quickly fix some common mistakes. Many learners say,
My dream is become doctor.
that's incorrect. The correct sentence is,
My dream is to become a doctor.
another mistake. I dream to be rich.
It's better to say,
I dream of being rich.
these small corrections make your English sound professional.
10. A powerful reflection question.
Jack, before we end part 1,
Emma, we want to ask you something important.
Jack, if fear didn't exist.
Emma, if people didn't judge you.
Jack, if failure wasn't scary.
Emma, what would your dream be?
Jack, think about that quietly.
Emma, because your dream matters. Now, let's move deeper into your language skills. Because dreams are not only about imagination.
They are also about intention.
And 3 powerful English words help you express that intention clearly.
Wants, hope, and plan.
Let's start with wants.
Want is strong, direct, and honest.
For example, I want to become a graphic designer.
I want to build a successful online business.
This shows desire, but not always a clear roadmap.
Next is hope.
Hope is softer, emotional, and full of possibility.
For example, I hope to study in another country.
I hope my dream will come true one day.
This shows optimism, even when the future feels uncertain.
Now comes the strongest of the 3.
Plan.
When you say plan, it means you are serious.
For example, I plan to start my business next year.
I plan to improve my English every day.
Dreams become more powerful when you turn them into plans. Talking about why your dream matters to you.
When someone asks about your dream,
They often want to know why.
and this is your chance to speak with meaning.
Here are some useful sentence starters.
I want this because.
This dream is important to me because.
I've always felt connected to this because.
For example,
Let's listen to some examples. My dream is to become a teacher because I want to change young lives.
I want to be a nurse because I love helping people.
These reasons make your dream sound real and powerful.
Talking about the first moment you discovered your dream.
Now, here's a beautiful storytelling skill.
Talking about the moment your dream was born.
You can use these phrases. I realized my dream when.
The first time I felt this dream was when.
I discovered my dream after. Let's listen to some examples. I realized my dream when I taught my younger sister for the first time.
I discovered my dream after watching a documentary about space.
This kind of storytelling creates emotional connection.
Talking about how strong your dream is.
Not all dreams are equal in strength.
Some are gentle wishes.
Others are deep, burning passions.
Here's how you express different levels of strength.
Soft dream,
I'd like to become a writer someday.
strong dream,
I'm determined to become a professional writer.
very strong dream.
Nothing can stop me from becoming a writer.
Your word choice shows your confidence. Now, let's talk about something real.
Doubt.
Sometimes people don't understand your dream.
Sometimes they laugh.
Sometimes they discourage you.
So how do you talk about that in English?
Here are some powerful sentences.
Not everyone believes in my dream, but I do.
Some people doubt me, but I stay focused.
I've heard a lot of negative comments, but I won't quit.
These sentences show emotional strength and maturity.
Talking about your daily effort.
Dreams without action remain only dreams. So let's talk about daily effort.
Here are some action-based expressions.
I practice every day.
I'm working hard on my skills.
I'm slowly improving.
These sentences show that your dream is alive.
For example,
My dream is to speak English fluently, and I practice every morning.
my dream is to become a designer, so I create something every day.
Talking about progress and patience.
Progress is not always fast.
Sometimes it's slow and quiet.
English gives beautiful ways to describe that.
I'm not where I want to be yet.
But I'm better than I was before.
I'm taking small steps every day.
I trust the process.
These sentences show patience and wisdom.
Comparing your past self and present self.
This is a powerful speaking technique.
You compare who you were and who you are now.
For example, in the past, I was afraid to speak English.
Now I speak with more confidence.
This shows growth.
When your dream changes.
Here's something many people feel guilty about,
Changing a dream.
but it's completely natural.
And English gives kind ways to explain it.
My dream has changed over time.
I discovered a new passion.
I realized my old dream wasn't truly mine.
Changing dreams doesn't mean failing. Expressing big dreams without fear.
Some learners feel shy talking about big dreams,
They feel it sounds unrealistic.
but you should never shrink your dream.
Listen to these confident sentences.
I have a big dream and I'm proud of it.
My dream may sound impossible, but I believe in it.
Confidence changes everything. 22. A deep conversation example.
Now, let's act out a deeper, emotional style conversation.
What's your biggest dream right now?
My biggest dream is to create something that helps people around the world.
That's powerful. When did you first feel this dream?
After I saw how one small idea changed many lives, it stayed in my heart.
Do you ever feel afraid?
Yes, many times, but fear no longer controls my decisions.
That takes courage.
I think courage grows when your dream becomes stronger than your fear.
22. How to talk about dreams in interviews and exams.
Now let's make this practical.
Many of our listeners face interviews
Speaking tests,
and oral exams.
and they often hear this question.
What is your future dream?
Here's a strong and simple structure.
First, state your dream.
Second, explain why.
Third, explain what you're doing for it.
For example,
My dream is to become a software developer. I enjoy solving problems and creating digital solutions. Right now, I'm learning programming and practicing every day.
clear, confident, effective.
24. Words that make your dream sound more professional.
Instead of simple words,
You can use more expressive ones.
instead of I want,
Say, I aspire to.
instead of I like,
Say, I'm deeply interested in.
instead of I try,
Say, I'm committed to.
these words make your English sound advanced.
25. Your silent promise to yourself.
Before we finish part 2,
We want you to make a silent promise.
to yourself.
Promise that you will not give up easily.
Promise that you will keep learning.
Promise that your dream will not die in silence.
25. When life pushes you away from your dream.
Sometimes life doesn't move in the direction of your dream.
Sometimes it pushes you backward.
You face financial problems,
Family pressure,
health issues,
or unexpected responsibilities. And in those moments, your dream feels far away.
but you can still talk about it in a hopeful way.
I had to pause my dream for a while.
I faced some serious challenges, but I haven't quit.
My dream is delayed, not destroyed.
These sentences show resilience.
26. Talking about failure without losing confidence.
Failure is part of every big dream.
But many learners are afraid to talk about it. Let's change that.
Here are strong, healthy ways to talk about failure.
I failed once, but I learned a powerful lesson.
That experience made me stronger.
I didn't succeed the first time, but I'm trying again.
These sentences show growth, not weakness.
27. Describing your dream with visual detail.
Now, let's add imagination to your English.
When you describe your dream with details,
People can see it.
they can feel it. Instead of saying, My dream is to open a cafe.
You can say, my dream is to open a small cafe where people can relax, read books, and feel at home.
Now the dream is alive.
28. Using metaphors to talk about dreams.
Advanced English speakers often use metaphors.
And they make your speech beautiful.
Here are some natural ones. My dream is the light that guides my life.
My dream gives me strength when I feel lost.
I'm chasing my dream one step at a time.
Metaphors make your English emotional and powerful.
29. Encouraging someone else to follow their dream.
Now let's talk about encouragement.
Sometimes someone shares their dream with you.
And your words can change their life.
Here are powerful encouragement sentences. Don't let fear stop you.
You're stronger than you think.
Your dream is worth the effort.
These words stay in people's hearts for years.
30. When you feel tired of dreaming.
Let's be honest.
Sometimes dreaming feels exhausting,
You feel tired,
lost.
burned out.
And it's okay to say, I feel tired, but I still believe in my dream.
I need rest, not surrender.
I'm slow right now, but I'm not quitting.
These are very human sentences.
31. Talking about sacrifice for your dream.
Every serious dream requires sacrifice,
Time.
comfort.
Sometimes relationships. You can say,
I've sacrificed many comforts for my dream.
I gave up short-term happiness for long-term success.
I chose my future over my fear.
These sentences show deep commitment. 32. When your dream finally comes true.
Now let's imagine,
One day, your dream comes true.
how do you talk about that moment?
Here are some beautiful sentences.
My dream finally became reality.
I waited for this moment my whole life.
All the struggles were worth it.
Victory sounds humble and grateful.
33. A final emotional story conversation.
Let's end our lesson with one last deep conversation.
Do you ever feel afraid that your dream won't happen?
Sometimes, yes, when things get dark.
Then why don't you give up?
Because giving up would hurt more than trying.
That's powerful.
And what about you? What keeps you going?
The version of myself that I haven't become yet.
That version is waiting for you.
And I won't disappoint him.
34. Your voice, your dream, your English.
Now let's speak directly to you.
The listener.
Your dream deserves a voice.
Your story deserves words.
Your future deserves confidence.
And your English is the bridge that connects your present to your dream. Don't wait to be perfect.
Don't wait to be fearless.
Speak with the English you have today.
And improve it one day at a time.
36. Your dream is valid.
Before we close,
Here is a small daily speaking practice for you.
every morning, look in the mirror and say,
My dream is,
I am working on it by.
and I will not give up.
Say it slowly.
Feel every word. This builds both English fluency and inner strength. 37. Your dream is valid.
No matter how small your dream feels,
No matter how slow your progress seems.
your dream is valid.
Your journey matters.
And your effort is seen.
38. Final reflection moment.
Now, pause for a moment.
Close your eyes if you can.
Imagine your future self,
Living your dream.
smiling with quiet pride.
That moment is waiting for you.
39. Final words.
Today, you didn't just learn English.
You learned how to speak hope,
How to speak effort.
how to speak dreams.
40. Subscribe message and goodbye.
If this episode helped you,
If it gave you confidence,
if it made you believe in your dream just a little more,
then stay connected with us.
subscribe to Learn English Through Podcast for more powerful English speaking lessons like this.
New episodes, real conversations, and practical English for your real life.
We are Emma,
And Jack,
and we'll meet you again in the next episode.
until then,
Keep learning, keep speaking.
and never stop dreaming.